Huwag na delivery ni Sofia. On the way na. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, delivery namin ni Sofia. Hello. Oh, no. Finally, it's here arrived. Actually, guys, this is long time. Now, Roger. Katatapos ko lang maligo, guys. Tingnan nyo. Nag-receive ako ng partial from my sister. Ano to, damit ni Sofia sa birthday soon.
Right.
Yeah, mag-sign muna tayo, guys. Joy Tapan, sign signature. Sign mo sa?
Name, sign. 3,560. 3,560.
560, no? 400. Ayun na, eksinihan. Just guys, kahit po muna ka. Oh, guys, bye-bye. Oh, now, she already go. Now, thank you. Dere Danabat. Now, I receive my partial with bye. And then now, I go home. Now, this is the one my sister sent me. Now, I want to go home now to check. Actually, Sofia is waiting for this. This is for the birthday gift for soup to my sister. Thank you so much, Manit. Look, Manit, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh. Nag-ano pa ako, ano tawag doon? Kasi the delivery, ano ba yun? Kung saan tin pa, Shopee. Tumawag tapos nasa CR ako. Kaya ako quickly, saglit lang talaga guys, hugas lang talaga sa mga priority dapat hugasan. Tapos andito na, actually Friday pa to siya. Actually Friday we are making, and then I miss out the call because it already that first he call and then after I miss out the call and then I go in the market and then told already lila Saturday daw, and then now finally it's here. Tingnan nyo. Kakaligo lang. Ay. Kasi o-open ito ang aking mga aso. Lalabas to. Nag-ready ng aking mga aso, guys. Nag-ready na sila. Hindi ko to sila palabasin kasi may ano pa. Ang tawag ng trabaho sa labas. Ayun. Mamaya ko to i-unbox with Sofia Joy so that she will happy also. Di ba guys? Ayan! Nakaligo si Inday! Nangligo ako diretso guys. Wala nang kaano-anuhan. Kasi tumawag siya. Nasaan ako? Sabi niya na nasa, Madam, kataho. Sabi niya ni Pali, where are you? Ko, I'm here in the house. Tapos binigyan ko siya ng address. Tapos, ito, diretso ka na lang, Nepali. Kasi alam mo naman guys, kailangan marunong talaga mag-Nepali. Nepali talaga. Si nakulatira, esto. Tawa siya ng tawa sa akin. Tapos niya, hindi ka taga dito. Oo nga, hindi ako taga dito, taga Philippines. Pero alam ko yung mag-Nepali. Tawa siya ng tawa sa akin. Kuha, hatirika. Sabi ko, hatirika. Yung parang sa Nepali ba, hatirika, ganun ako. Tapos, maya ko, what is this? Yung Friday pa, yung baby ko, expect na yung baby ko na matanggap. Tapos wala, lali, sabi, yung mga Nepali talagang grabe ang tawag dito? Magsalita, lali, ang kulalala, okay. And then sabi ko din, sige, okay, dire, Danabat, thank you so much. Tapos, natuwa siya sa akin pagsalita ko ng Nepali na naman ko, sige na, bye. Binidyohan ko siya. Kubidyohan kita ha, bakit? Ako nagpa-plug kasi ako. Sabi niya, hura. Hura. Ayan, matutuwa na naman ito si Sofia Joy. Meron kaming cargo from Manit. Alam niyo ba guys, ang layo ng nito. Kasi yung damit ni Sofia pang birthday soon, sa kapatid ko sa kabila. Tapos pinadala doon sa Cebu. Tapos from Cebu to Nepal. Diyos ko, Buti pa ang damit ni Sophia, guys. Panay na lang sakay ng airplane. Ako kaya, kailan ako magsasakay ng airplane? Ay, naku, pasok kayo sa loob, guys. Ang aking magic curtain, di ba? Ay, nako, my God, may gulay. At least ma-happy nito si Sophia. Di ba? Meron na kami. Guys, meron akong airplane. Mag-book kami, 3 kami dito, Pray na to, saan kami pupunta? Singapore, China, US, America, everywhere, di ba? Baka gusto niyo sumakay, guys. Sakay na. Libre pamasahe. Bella, muna, halina tayo. Eloisa, libre to. Wag yan si MJ, kasi si MJ maraming pera. Doon niya yun. Libre to, libre. Joanna. Si Joanna, guys. Ipakita ko sa iyo soon si Joanna, guys. Papuntahin ko dito, yan. Joanna, sakay tayo, day. Ali, day. Kasi Bisaya din si Joanna. Sakay tayo, day, ali, day. Manguha tayo, mga arbon. Thank you, guys. Salamat. Be kind. Thank you so much. I love you all. Salamat. Yes, wait guys, finally, we received the partial of Mama Janet from Mama Janet Place to Philippines, and then finally Nepal. Now, ano na tayo? What is this? Daddy and Sophia will unboxing. 1, 2, 3, go! Tingnan mo si Sophia, guys. This the one make it for
This for mommy.
for mommy, this one. Thank you, Mama Net. Hello.
This for Sophia. This for Sophia.
Actually, my sister sent me like a Christmas
This for
style,
mommy.
but not allowed.
Yeah.
But not allowed this one.
Mommy, me
Toy.
donut.
Me too. I love you.
Mitoy from my sister. Mitoy, I love you. Wow, thank you so
Hey,
much, Mama
Christmas
Janet.
tree.
There is already all
That's why I told Toy I have here.
Daddy.
And then Auntie I said
Di ba
that
you said not allowed? Why you came then?
the another one. See, it arrived, guys. Oh my God. Where the light? Kata. Actually, we have this one in Nepal. See, one for Dalu, one for us, and then one for ano. Oh my God, ang hinanap ko kasi guys yung garland.
Mommy.
Di ba? Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Yeah.
How, Sophia, how? And then, nice. You wear that, Daddy. Wow! And then this one for security.
Meow.
Kasi wala kami Christmas tree, guys. Mahal kasi Christmas tree dito at saka hindi ko pa nakita. You wear na ba, Daddy? So, mag-Christmas tree na ta. Ay, kapag doon come the spread. Ang cute, guys. Thank you, Manet. Thank you, Auntie Ay. Thank you all sa lahat ng cinder. Ito ang...
Mommy, open this menu na. Daddy.
Ito talaga ang main course, guys. Tiyan mo, nasa side talaga kami. Ito talaga ang main course kasi ito ang...
Wait for the
Ito ang costume ni ano.
In the...
Either this one. Only one because that time is not allowed and that's why I reduce. That's why we need to hide that one. Because ito talaga ang main, guys, kasi yung sister ko, she want to wear this Sophia on December 5, Sophia birthday. Kasi sa akin December 1, yun.
Why you open?
Kailangan ko pang i-adjust siya, guys. Ang haba kasi, Mama Janet, thank you so much. May costume na si Sophia Joy sa kanyang
This for the look.
either this or this. You need to choose one. Because one again for Sophia for the Christmas.
For
Which one?
Kitty.
You keep this one like this selection. Choose the like that.
Oh.
Otherwise they will have like black.
Don't-
Open. Come do.
Now, this is the one. Thank you so much. See, I love you, Sophia. See, I love you, Sophia. Ayan, ang cute, no? Yay! Thank you, Manette. Now, I need to adjust pa this one. I think the length. Actually, meron tong siyang, she has the gloves. Tapos, hindi na dala kasi bawal daw. Ay, there is pala. The another glove also there is. Ito, meron siyang gloves. And then, she has earrings. She has a necklace and bracelet. And this one.
Hello?
But, unfortunately, it's not allowed. Kasi may mga stone doon sa LBC sa Cebu. Ito meron naman stone pero yung maraming stone hindi pwede daw kaya iyon. Ayan! Merry Christmas! Oh my God! Pinapil ko na talaga ang Christmas, guys.
What?
Ito din sa aking sister. Sa sister ko to is si Inday. Inday Lynn, thank you! May cardigan na ako, guys. Diba? Ang daddy, open na to, daddy. Ito guys, sa aking sister, sa mga sister ko na to guys, bago nila, hindi nila sinuot kasi ayaw nila. Kaya pinadala dito sa Nepal. They don't want to wear. Kaya iyon, sa akin na lang.
Dita.
See, ang cute siya guys, no? Diba? Ay, ang pulubi meron na naman. Maligay. Okay, daddy, where's the daddy? Ito talaga ang pinaka-main, guys. Buti pa itong mga damit na to, sakay ng aeroplano. Wow!
Shirt talaga.
Daddy, see, thank you, Manet. See, cute kasi daddy, parang kagalang-galang. Cute, nice. She's talking. Mini want to talk.
Stop!
See, cute. Ang cute. Meron na kami Christmas. Makahilak masad ko ni popcorn. Ano to meron pa din si Sophia ang she has the, wait na. She has the, what do you call this? Ribbon. Diba? Ang cute. Ang cute. Ay, din ito. Itong gustong-gustong Sophia talaga, guys. O, yung binilhan siya ng kanyang Mama Janet. Dan, Sophia. Oh, Dan. Thank you so much, Manet. I love you so much. Thank you, Ate. Thank you, Inday. Thank you, Manang. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Kuya. Salamat from Philippines with love, from Nepali, from whatever. Salamat. Thank you sa gift. Suotin ko to siya, guys, kapag ito, suotin ko to sa Sophia birthday, I think so. Because it's winter na kasi dito.
Different ko dalo yan.
For Dalo, and this one will choose for security. Dalo is before they calling Dalo and Dalo. Thank you so much, guys! Oy, bye-bye. Thank you so much to all.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Ingat. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, please, and share. Maraming salamat. Dere Danabat. Thank you so much. God bless us. Thank you. Be kind.
Bye.